Hello and welcome back everyone to a new guide video of 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Instagram live videos. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get right into the video. Now whenever someone that you follow goes live on Instagram, you will instantly get a notification, and whenever you open up the app, the people that you follow who are going live will show up on the first section. So next to the stories that other people have added, the first option that you'll see is the people that are going live. So you can just tap on them and you'll be able to view their live broadcast. Now if you're trying to find random lives, let me tell you that option is now removed from Instagram. Previously IGTV was available, so whenever you tap on the search bar on the bottom right, on the top you would have an option called IGTV. Once you tapped on that, you could view all of the people that were going live. But with the removal of IGTV, the viewing live option now also has been removed. There is no separate section of Instagram, similar to TikTok, where you can view people who are going live. So only live that you can view is the people that you follow. So I hope I made you clear with this, and I hope this video helped you out. If this video did help you out, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily tutorials just like this. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.